Hey everyone, Nate here with Outside Cleaners on beautiful Cape Cod, Massachusetts. More and more often, prospective customers are asking me, what method would you use to clean my asphalt roof? It's a fabulous question. Here's why. The Asphalt Roofing Manufacturers Association, ARMA, they specifically and pointedly prescribe the use of a chemical cleaning solution to clean an asphalt roof. They say to apply this solution so that the shingles aren't damaged and the roof warranties are not voided. They've concluded that this is the most effective method of cleaning algae and moss from an asphalt roof. They go on to say, in black and white, and I quote, "Never use a pressure washer to clean an asphalt shingle roof, as this will cause granule loss and very likely premature failure of the roof system." Premature failure. What do they mean by that? Something like this. This Cape Cod roof was power washed by a popular roof cleaning company just a couple years before I was called to take a look at it. The side-by-side strokes of the power washer are clearly visible. Obviously, this is permanent damage. These shingles, which should have lasted for decades, are now in need of replacement. It's important for Cape Cod homeowners to be aware that as I make this video in late January 2020, a Google search of roof cleaners on Cape Cod returns ads and listings for prominent local roof cleaning services which still use a power washer to clean asphalt roofs, which again is in direct conflict with asphalt roof manufacturers' guidance. How can this be? Well, roof cleaning is an unregulated service industry in most of the country, including right here in Massachusetts. No licenses are required to offer this service. Anybody who wants to be a roof cleaner can do so without demonstrating any aptitude or passing any tests of knowledge. Furthermore, like the nutritional supplement industry, there's just no oversight whatsoever on performance and quality claims being made. So back to the original question of what method do I use to clean an asphalt roof? Obviously, having said everything I just said, Outside Cleaners uses chemical solutions and low-pressure rinsing from a garden hose to clean an asphalt roof. Before you hire anyone to clean your asphalt roof here on Cape Cod, I encourage you to ask them this simple question. Does your asphalt roof cleaning process use a power washer? If their answer is yes, my number is 508-209-1972. I'll be happy to give you a work proposal to clean your roof in accordance with shingle manufacturers' guidelines.